Coming to next topic, classification of lipids. Classification of lipids. So what are lipids? In previous class we discussed lipids are biomolecules which are esters of alcohol with fatty acids. Esters of alcohol with fatty acid. Okay, that esters of alcohols with fatty acids are lipids. Fatty acids we already discussed. What are fatty acids? Carboxylic acid with a hydrocarbon side chain and a minimum of 4 carbons. They are fatty acids. That fatty acids are again divided into what? Saturated, unsaturated, and hydroxy fatty acids. I told you. And coming to alcohols, normally in lipids there is presence of monohydroxy alcohol, trihydroxy alcohols like that. Monohydroxy alcohol like cholesterol may there, and trihydroxy alcohol like glycerol may there in lipids. So that alcohols and lipids may combine together and form esters. Alcohols and fatty acids combine together and form esters. That esters what we are calling lipids. So if we see that classification of lipids, lipids are majorly divided into 3 major types. 3 major classes are there in lipids. What are that? Simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. There are 3 major classes of lipids named simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Name itself, simple means they are simple in form, simple in structure. Compound lipids, they have compound structure. Derived lipids are derivatives. Okay, see that simple lipids first. Simple lipids. Simple lipids are those which have simple in form. They are simple in form, simple structure. Simply, what are simple lipids? These are esters of alcohol and fatty acids. Alcohols and fatty acids combine and form esters. That esters what forming? They are called simple lipids. These simple lipids are again divided into 2 classes. These are again divided into 2 types. There are 2 types of simple lipids. One is oils and fats. Oils, fats. Is the red pen visible? Hydroxy fatty acid, then I will discuss. Wait. Is the red pen visible? Little, then I don't use red pen. There are 2 types of simple lipids. One is oils, fats. Simple lipids are 2 types. One is oils and fats. Oils and fats are one type. Second type is waxes. There are 2 types of simple lipids named oils and fats is one type, and next one is waxes. Okay, see first one, oils and fats. See, coming to oils and fats, these are storage form of lipids. The storage form of lipids is there, which is called as oils, fats. Normally, oils are produced by plants and fats are produced by animals. Oils, coming to oils are produced by plants. Oils are produced by plants and they are liquids at room temperature. At room temperature, these oils are liquids. Oils are produced by plants and these oils are liquids at room temperature. Coming to fats, fats are produced by animals and these are solids at room temperature. Fats are solids at room temperature. These are different characteristics of oils and fats, but if you see the structure, chemical composition of this oils, fats, both have same chemical composition. They have same chemical composition. They are similar in form. They have same structure. Copy these points. Then we can discuss how that oils and fats are formed. I will give a structure. A structural example I will give. Complete? Okay. Then we see the structures of oils and fats. Normally, chemically, these oils and fats are there. Oils and fats. Chemically, these are chemically esters of glycerol. Esters of glycerol. What is glycerol? Glycerol is a trihydroxy alcohol, we know. That glycerol combines with some fatty acids, and that glycerol, when it is combined with some fatty acids, there is formation of some esters. They are called oils and fats. Both oils and fats are similar in form. See that these oils and fats, if you see the structure of glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is a trihydroxy alcohol named glycerol. Right? This glycerol combines with some fatty acids. Here, what is the general formula of fatty acid? General formula of fatty acid. Fatty acids, normally a fatty acid can be written like this, RCOOH. Or if a saturated fatty acid, that saturated fatty acid can be written like this. CH3 CH2N times COOH. That is saturated fatty acid which have double bond. CnH2n plus 1 COOH is a saturated fatty acid. Okay. See this. This combines with a fatty acid or COOH is a fatty acid, right? Or COOH is a fatty acid. This fatty acid and this, they undergo dehydration. Water molecule is removed. Upon elimination of water molecule, there is a formation of an ester linkage. Like this, one fatty acid is attached to the second carbon, another fatty acid can attach, or to second fatty acid. Here, a third fatty acid can bind, R3. R3. See here, normally we can call a fatty acid as acyl group. We can call a fatty acid as acyl group. Okay. Here this glycerol is there. Glycerol with how many acyl groups here? 3 acyl groups are there. So this we can call triacyl glycerol. Triacyl glycerol, which is also called triglyceride, simply written as TG. We can call this oils and fats, normally which are formed of glycerol with 3 fatty acids, as triacyl glycerol. Triacyl glycerol means glycerol with 3 fatty acids. A glycerol with 3 fatty acids is called triacyl glycerol, which is also called as a triglyceride or TG. Okay, not only this triacyl glycerol or triglyceride, there may be formation of monoacyl glycerol, monoglyceride, or sometimes there may be formation of diglyceride or diacyl glycerol. So glycerol with fatty acids is called that. Okay. See here, monoglyceride. Monoglyceride means, what is monoglyceride? Glycerol plus 1 fatty acid. Glycerol with 1 fatty acid is called as monoglyceride. Diglyceride is formed upon binding of a glycerol with 2 fatty acids. If 2 fatty acids bound with glycerol, then there is a formation of a diglyceride. Okay, note that structure. Audio not clear, huh? Wait one second. How is the audio now? Check now. Is it okay now? Yeah. Yeah, I don't remember. Okay, you can copy. If you say copy itself, then only I will erase the board. Yeah, completed. Sumedha. One second, sir. Okay, copy. Okay, Sumedha. Okay. Vaishik also completed. Okay, right. See now, this is monoglyceride, diglyceride, right? Monoglyceride means here glycerol is there. That glycerol combined with three fatty acids. One, two, three. So there is formation of triacyl glycerol. If the same glycerol is combining with a single fatty acid, only one fatty acid, then it is called monoglyceride or monoacyl glycerol. If same glycerol combines with two fatty acids like this, here one, then it is called diglyceride. Normally, triacyl glycerol is there, na? This is a glycerol with three fatty acids. Triglyceride with three same fatty acids. Three fatty acids are there in a triglyceride, but that three fatty acids are of same type. Same type. Same type means then it is called as simple triglyceride. Same type means whatever the fatty acid present here, same three fatty acids are similar. Three fatty acids are similar. If that three fatty acids are similar, then it is called simple triglyceride. Okay, write that side. And another one I will give. This is what simple triglyceride. Okay, different fatty acids. If different fatty acids are there in triacyl glycerol or triglyceride, then it is called mixed triacyl glycerol. TAG or TG. TAG means triacyl glycerol. TG means triglyceride. Okay? Yeah. Triacyl glycerol with three same fatty acids. Here palmitic acid, here palmitic acid, here palmitic acid. All are same. Then it is called as simple triacyl glycerol. If one type of fatty acid at three positions means that is simple triglyceride. Two or more, suppose palmitic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, or oleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, different combinations. Three positions have three different fatty acids, then it is called what? Mixed triacyl glycerol. Okay. Right. Now we'll go for second category. Second category of simple lipids. Video is paused. No. Video is playing. Second category of this simple lipids, waxes. Can you name the fatty acids in the board, sir? No need. No, fatty acid, just name is enough. Waxes. What are waxes? These are esters of monohydroxy alcohol. Monohydroxy alcohol with one fatty acid. If a single fatty acid combines with a monohydroxy alcohol, there is a formation of esters of monohydroxy alcohol. That ester of monohydroxy alcohol is called wax. Yeah, mixed means three different positions are there in glycerol. Different types of fatty acids are present in that triacyl glycerol. First fatty acid is one type, second fatty acid is another type. Like that, different types of fatty acids are found in that triacyl glycerol, means then it is called as mixed triacyl glycerol. See, esters of monohydroxy alcohol with one fatty acid is called as this waxes. Here also examples not structures not enough for this. Example, bee wax. Bee wax. Sperm whale wax. Bee wax, sperm whale wax. These are examples of waxes. Beeswax. Honey bee is there now. Honey bee will produce one honeycomb. In that honeycomb, how they build a honeycomb? Honeycomb is made with a wax. It is a type of liquid. The wax which is present in that honeycomb is bee wax. And in whale fish,